Hi and welcome. So what we've been doing, we've been playing around with Unity and making a text-based game following a tutorial. And it's a little bit overkill, but so far it's been a lot of fun. So you can see I've set up my collection here. I've also got several scriptable objects, my scenes, scripts, scriptable objects. I've set up several rooms. I've got 2 rooms set up so far, and that is all I have set up. But I have got to the point where now I can click play, and once it starts to play, you'll see that it has the dungeon door slammed shut. I'm in a maze, and I see a dark doorway to the north. So at this point, I've got it set up to where I can mirror back to the user the things they're typing in. Go north. I do not have it connected so it actually goes north. That's as far as I've gotten so far, but just thought I would show you my progress.